Module 6. Mastering Rate Negotiation. You should always protect your carrier, protect your reputation, and protect your money. Negotiation is one of the most important skills a professional dispatcher will ever develop. This is where your voice becomes value. This is where confidence turns into income. As a dispatcher, you are negotiating on behalf of your carrier's livelihood. When done correctly, negotiation can increase revenue without adding miles, without adding hours, and without adding risk. In this module, you will learn how to negotiate calmly, professionally, and strategically. Section 6.1. Understanding freight rates. Freight rates are not random. They move based on market conditions that change every single day. Rates are affected by supply and demand, by lanes and regions, by seasons and weather, by fuel prices, by driver availability. A professional dispatcher understands why rates are moving before ever calling a broker. If you understand the market, you negotiate with confidence. Section 6.2. Using market data to negotiate. Professional negotiation starts with data, not opinions. Before you speak to a broker, you must know what the lane is paying. Use tools like DAT Rate View, Truck Stop Market Data, and Sonar. These tools tell you if a rate is fair, too low, or simply disrespectful. Data gives you leverage. And leverage protects your carrier. Section 6.3. The negotiation mindset. Negotiation is not about aggression. It is about being calm, prepared, and professional. Strong negotiators speak clearly. They stay composed. They are willing to say no. A confident dispatcher sets the tone for every conversation. Your mindset determines how brokers respond to you. Section 6.4. How to speak to brokers professionally. Your tone determines your rate. Sound unsure, and you get rookie treatment. Sound professional, and negotiations change. Use direct language. Clear numbers. Confident delivery. Your voice is your brand. Section 6.5. Proven negotiation scripts. Scripts keep you calm. They remove emotion. They keep you professional. They protect your carrier's income. When a rate is too low, state your number calmly. When pressured, slow the conversation down. Control the conversation. Do not let it control you. Section 6.6. Timing your negotiation. Timing creates opportunity. Early mornings bring clean freight. Late afternoons bring leverage. Fridays bring urgency. End-of-month periods bring higher rates. A skilled dispatcher knows when to push and when to wait. The right timing can double a negotiation's value. Section 6.7. Negotiation deal breakers. A bad deal is worse than no deal. Cheap rates, impossible appointments, deceptive details, unsafe conditions, untrusted brokers. These are red flags. Walking away is sometimes the most professional move. Section 6.8. Finalizing the deal. A handshake is not enough. Confirm the rate. Verify every detail. Get it in writing. Review all terms. Record everything. Accurate records prevent costly mistakes. Always protect your carrier. Module 6 Key Takeaways. Negotiation is a required skill for every professional dispatcher. Market knowledge creates leverage. Tone builds respect. Timing increases pay. Know when to negotiate. Know when to walk away. And always verify the deal. Remember, a bad load costs more than no load. In the next module, we move from negotiation to execution. Module 7 will break down how to dispatch the truck step by step. From booking confirmation to delivery completion. This is Solidwood Services. We don't just train dispatchers. We build professionals.